Hello students, good morning. Good morning to all of you. Good morning. So today you can see on the board that today I will be taking your English text class. Yes, very good morning Minazuddin, Anushka, Rishabh. Yeah. So today I will be taking your English text class. So open your Marigold book and the chapter I will start today, that is Haldi's Adventure. So you can see on the board Haldi's Adventure. Yes, very good morning to all of you. Open page number 8. Open page number 8 and you can see the chapter over there. Okay. So I will read the chapter today and all of you will read after me. Okay. Yeah. So let's start. Haldi's Adventure. One morning, as Haldi walked to school, she met a giraffe. So one morning, when Haldi was going to school, she met a giraffe. The giraffe wore big glasses and held a book in his hand. So you can also see in the picture that the giraffe is wearing big glasses and holding a book in his hand. He smiled and said, "Good morning, Haldi." So the giraffe smiled and said, "Good morning, Haldi." Haldi looked up at him. So Haldi is now looking at the giraffe. "I am sorry to stare," she said. So now Haldi is saying to him that I am sorry to stare because you are looking so different. Like you are wearing glasses, you are holding a book, so you are looking different, right? "But I have never met a giraffe like you." So Haldi is saying that I have never met a giraffe like you, because the giraffe is something different, as I have told you that you can also see in the picture that he is wearing glasses, holding a book, right? Mohian, again from our side here it is no problem. In my computer I can see myself clearly, so here it is no problem. Please check your internet connection, then cut the call and then rejoin, please. Okay. Apart from Mohian, everyone is able to see me, na? And hear me also? Yeah. Okay. So let's continue. "Now, my name is Smiley," said the giraffe. So what is the name of the giraffe? Smiley. So keep this name in your mind that the name of the giraffe is Smiley. "My name is Smiley," said the giraffe. So what is the name of the giraffe? Tell me. I have just told you. What is the name of the giraffe? Yeah, Smiley. Yes, Devdeep, it's Smiley. Yeah, right. Good. So keep this name in your mind. "Whenever you see me, you will smile." So the name of the giraffe is Smiley, and he is saying that whenever you will see me, you will smile. Haldi was surprised and happy too. Haldi was really surprised, and at the same moment she is happy too. Then she remembered that she would be late for school. So she said to the giraffe, "I would love to talk to you, but I must rush to school or I will be late." So now Haldi remembered that she need to go to school, and if she would love to talk to the giraffe, but now she has to rush or she will be late for school, right? The giraffe said, "Not if you ride on my back, if you climb on my back, I will run so fast that you will feel you are flying to school." So now the giraffe is saying to Haldi that climb on my back. I will run so fast that you will feel that you are flying and you will reach to school in no time. Right? So because we know that giraffe is a very tall animal and he has very tall long legs. So that's why he can run very fast. So this is the giraffe is saying that if you climb on my back, I will run so fast that you will feel you are flying to school. Do you go to school every day? Yes. So the smiley is again asking to Haldi that do you go to school every day? Yes, said Haldi. So Haldi said yes. I go to school on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and on Saturday I play games at school. So whenever you are in school, you used to come to school on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and on Saturday Haldi used to play games at her school, right? So what do you do in school? Asked the giraffe. So the giraffe again asked, what do you do in school? I learn about the stars, the trees, the birds and the animals. So Haldi is saying that I learn about the stars, the trees, the birds and the animals. So what are the things that Haldi learned in her school? What are the things? I have just told to you. Can you tell me what are the things that Haldi learned to school? So Haldi, yes. Yes, stars, so many things. Yes, Anushka, yes, Mohian, right. Stars, animals, birds, trees, etc. Okay, yeah, right, very good. So keep these short points in your mind. Okay, now let's proceed. That is good, said the giraffe. I love books too. So the giraffe is saying that I love books too, and that's why you can find the book in the giraffe's hand, right? They are lots of fun. Now jump on my back. I will take you to school. Haldi then jumped on the giraffe's back and found that she could see so many things from the top. From the top means now Haldi is saying on the giraffe's back, and the giraffe is very tall. So in that way Haldi is saying that she could see so many things from the top. And before she knew it, she had reached the school playground, and the giraffe has ran so fast that in no time Haldi reached to the school playground, right? She climbed down. When she turned back to thank the giraffe, she found that he had gone away. So after getting down, Haldi just turned back to thank you the giraffe, but she found that the giraffe has already gone away, right? Now let's read the last line. Turn to page number 10. Yes, in page number 10 you can see the picture that the Haldi is riding on the giraffe and the giraffe is running very fast, right? So, oh, Haldi thought, what a wonderful adventure I have had, isn't it? Indeed, right? This is the wonderful adventure Haldi had. So, when she was going to school, she had this wonderful adventure. Okay, so the reading is completed in this way. Any one of you have any problem? Let me know. I will clarify that. with the reading of the chapter? Any of you have any problem? Okay, and here also you can find some new words in page number 10. Just look at the new words. You will learn these new words and spellings also, because in next class I may ask the spelling from these new words and you have to give me the answer through the chat box. Okay, so I'm repeating all the new words once again. First word, giraffe. Giraffe. You have to remember the spellings also. Okay, second spelling is surprised. 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 Third one is adventure. 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 Fourth one is wonderful. 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 Then playground. Playground. So these 5 spellings, new words, you will practice at your home. I may ask these spellings in your next class and you have to give me answer through the chat box. Okay, clear all of you? So the reading of the chapter is completed and the exercise part I will start in our next class. Now all of you give your present. So you are having no problem now regarding the reading of the chapter? If you have any problem, let me know then. And while I am taking the present, no one will leave or you will be absent. Aniket, Anushka, Ayush, Devdeep, Kosturi. student? Okay. So I have taken you present. And all of you are having no problem with the chapter, right? Okay. And from your next class, I will start with the exercises. All of you practice these new words very well at your home, okay? So today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye. Bye all of you.